This is just going to be a short video related to some additional topics in logic in Matlab, some additional topics related to true and false in Matlab. So we've already talked about things like 2 less than 4 being true, 2 less than or equal to 4 being true, 2 equal to 4. Remember, we do that with 2 equal signs, that being false. So some other ones that we might want to do are what about not equals. So the way you do that is you put a tilde and then a single equals sign and then 4. So think of this as asking true or false, 2 does not equal 4, and it's saying true. Remember, 1 is true, 0 is false. It's saying true, 2 does not equal 4. In general, this tilde symbol, you can use that to negate things inside of Matlab. So for example, if I do tilde 2 less than 4, so what was it? This 2 less than 4, that was true, and then this tilde in front of it, that made it false. Even more important is how do you connect multiple true-false statements, and you do that with the and symbol and the or symbol. So let me show that to you. So if I want to ask, is 2 less than 4 and is 2 less than 10? Okay, so it's true and true, so the total answer is true. This and symbol, the only way it returns true is if everything in sight is true. So for example, if I make 1 true, like this one, and 1 false, like this one, now it's going to be false. Because as soon as one of them is false, if I'm using and, then the whole expression is false. The complement to and is or. So if I do 2 less than 4, then the way you make or is with vertical lines. For me, these vertical lines are obtained by holding down Shift and hitting the backslash button, which for me is right on top of the return key. So I'm asking 2 less than 4 or 2 greater than 10. So it's true or false. And for or, this is true if at least one of the expressions is true. So one thing you should get used to in both this class and in math classes in general is that for us, or always means or both. So if I do 2 less than 4 or 2 less than 10, I get true. So you should always think of or as like, is the first one true? Is the second one true? Or are both of them true? That's how or works in Matlab.